Yo, this is the Kenyan Hexagon, and welcome to this channel. Yes, what up, what up, guys, and big up, guys. Um, those who have been in this channel, uh, big up. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, I'm just getting started. The live stream is still very young. Um, yeah. We're going to be looking at Provex. This is the logo. Actually, I'm using this logo because it looks kind of very interesting. So yeah, this is Provex. Basically, this will be like a hangout because we are here and price is doing quite so much. So the entire past chain ecosystem is looking very fresh. We'll be looking at that in a few. So welcome, guys, once again, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you might be getting much of these updates as they happen. So bana, karibuni sana. Mi ndio Kenyan Hexican. I'm trying to learn to do this. So basically give me thank you for subscribing. I know you're going to subscribe to this. So this is a live chat. This is the Kenyan Hexagon once again. Club 555 per hex. So these are some of the coins that we'll be looking at, and it will be quite interesting to just share a screen of the current market outlook right now. That is the current market outlook currently, which is the pulse chain ecosystem. So basically this is the ecosystem, and these are the top core coins and tokens on the pulse chain network. So we are in the 1199. That is 1199 days since pulse chain was launched, and these are the main core coins that we have. So if you want to visit this site, it's plsfolio.com, and you'll be able now to see these analytics. So plsfolio.com, you'll be able now to get the statistics. You'll be able to interact with a lot of tools, that is the multi charts and all that, and also you can be able now to track your portfolio and say and advertise. So these are the basic analytics that we have on this site. It is basically showing the current market price of each token and pulse chain, and currently you'll see the price performance in the last 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours, and from all time low and from all time high, you'll be able now to see the price performance. So this is pulse chain. This is the main gas token, and you can see it is trading at 0.401404 US dollars. From all time low, it has gone up 154.78%. So you'll also be able now to see these other clean metrics on and analytics of the supply and the burnt token so far, and you'll also see the market cap. You can see its market cap is sitting at 0.106 million, 0.3 million US dollars, and you'll also see the volume and liquidity or pair, even for the other coins. So the second one is the PLSX, that is PulseX. This is the main liquidity engine on the Pulse chain blockchain. So anytime you'll be looking to interact with you'll be looking to interact with this ecosystem, you will be swapping coins from Pulse maybe to Hex, from Hex to any other coin. yeah, or token in this ecosystem. So you will use this exchange, which is the Pulse exchange, and it has its own token, which is trading at 0.40 1286 US dollars. You can see from the all-time low, it is up to 19.02% from the bottom. Yeah, and again, you'll see the supply and the market cap there. You can see its market cap is at 1.8 billion. Actually, it's quite moving up very fast. Again, we have Hex. Hex is the mining token that is under Pulse chain. So anytime now you want to mine new tokens on this ecosystem, you will use Hex. Hex is like Bitcoin. Actually, it is at its introduction, it was being called Hex Bitcoin. So it is everything Bitcoin. It's just that now you can be able now to stake it for any period between 1 day to 15 years, which is 5,555 days, uh, the maximum period that you can be able now to take. All right, you can see its price is trading at 0.204023 US dollars. Actually, again, something which is very interesting and will keep on repeating over and over again. It's the all-time low. From all-time low, price has gone up for 456.63%. Okay, that is quite very much interesting, because price is actually it is actually the token that has gone uh, most up most in the entire blockchain. Okay, so Hex is the main and it is the guru token. Actually, now another story is that when Hex was introduced to the market, it was first hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. So once we had the blockchain blockchain, the original hex still remains on the Ethereum blockchain. Actually, now again, Ethereum blockchain was hard forked by Richard Hart and the developers, and now we had Chain. Okay, so Chain is everything Ethereum. It's just that now it is smarter, faster, and energy efficient. Okay, so now EHEX is the token that still remains on the Ethereum blockchain, and you can see its price is trading at 0.201622 US dollars. Okay, and now from the bottom, uh, its price has gone up 306.06%. Okay, this is very interesting because these assets had gone actually down for a very long time. You can see from all-time low, they are still down. Okay, yeah, so we are seeing a great improvement. Yeah. Now, from all-time high up to the period where they are, you can see they are still on negatives. But now the bull market has started, and you can be able now to see how price is performing, and you can be able now to see from this site is showing analytics of how they are performing. So from all-time low, you can see each token and its percentage of how price has improved. Yeah. Now the other token is the incentive token, the INC. INC is the incentive token. Actually, is the token that you get incentivized once you provide liquidity in the Parsecs liquidity pools, or if you become a validator in the ecosystem, you get incentivized with this token. And you can see its token, the token, its price is trading at 0.6884 US dollars. Okay, so that's again, price is moving quite up, because from the low it has gone up 184.78%. Again, the metrics, the supply, the market cap, the volume, and the band tokens and liquidity, you will be able now to see all those analytics there. Now the last one that we have here is the Provex. Provex is actually now the exchange token on the Pulsing blockchain, but then you can be able now to compare it with maybe something like Binance. Okay, so its token now it's trading at 0.408318 US dollars, and this price is actually going up because you can see from the bottom it has gone up 171.45% from that low. Yeah, so these assets you can be able now to see pulsing stats, the pulsex stats and the hex stats there. And apart from that, now we have the top voted tokens, which are now again these are meme coins. We'll be talking about meme coins, each one by its own, because they are tokenized meme coins that are solving different use cases, and these are the top voted. You can see each token with its price and how they have been performing. All right, yeah, so we have quite a number of meme coins, and you can be able now to visit these sites once again, PLS Folio, and you'll be able to interact with those meme coins as many as you can. Yeah, now that is a like that is a big intro. We are just getting started. Huh? Let me post something here. Comment comment below the price of PLS PLSX X EHEX INC and Provex the time you watch this live. Yeah, just this is to show, this is just to track price and how it has been performing. Yeah, now that is a brief introduction of what is happening in the market right now. Now again, we are going to look at CoinGecko. This is another talk, another price analytics chart for for cryptocurrencies. Okay, now this is CoinGecko. You are able now to see the cryptocurrencies by their market cap here. And for instance, now this is the global market cap. The global cryptocurrency market cap today is sitting at 2.7 trillion. Actually, in another video, it was 2.6. Yeah, so that is to mean price is actually moving up for the entire market cap for cryptocurrencies, the entire market for cryptocurrencies. You can see the market cap here is 2.6, almost 2.695, almost 2.7. Yeah, and again, this is the 24 hours trading volume. You'll see it here, the 86 billion. Yeah, so 86 billion. Yeah, 86 billion. The most trending tokens, you'll see them there, and the top gainers for the entire crypto market. The ones that are trending, you will see them here. I'm just giving a walk of this because some of the people who are watching this live, or who will be watching this live, will be new people So these are the metrics, and this is the gateway. This is the gateway. I'm just giving you a tour of what happens, and these assets, where they are, and the basic information that you need to decode from what you are seeing here. So this is Bitcoin. Let me enlarge this. Is it enlarging? Yes. Okay. Yeah, you'll be able now again to see the news, the latest market news there. And now on your left hand side here, you will see cryptocurrencies. Yeah, the crypto coin and the price, and how it has been performing in the last maybe 1 hour, 24 hours, and 7 days. Yeah, the simple metrics of how that percentage has been working. So we have the first and the most the most known crypto, we have Bitcoin. Yeah, it is trading at 77,163 US dollars. You can see in the 1 hour time frame, the 24-hour time frame, and the 4 days uh, price performance. In the last 7 days, actually, it has been up 22.2%. Yeah, so the market cap, you'll be able to see it here at 1.5 trillion. And actually, you can see in the global market cap capitalization, if Bitcoin is at 1.5 trillion and the entire crypto market is sitting at 2.7, that means Bitcoin is driving a lot of liquidity for this entire market. That's why you see if Bitcoin is moving up, the entire market will start moving up, and that is well depicted when we'll be seeing the when we'll see the market performance, the entire market price performance for Bitcoin. Let me open trading view so that we can be able to see all these. I'm going to share all these here on this stream. So anytime you'll be watching this, you'll be able now to see on what was happening, and yeah, just basic information of what these assets mean and what they are, how they are performing currently. Yeah, before they blow up on a double, on a double, on a double, on a double, in a bubble, in a bubble, in a bubble, on a double, on a double, on a double, on a double, in a bubble, in a bubble, in a bubble, double the price, double the highs, double the highs, double the vibes, double the vibes, double the price, double the highs, double the bottoms, double the top, double the price, double the hype, double the ball, on a double, on a double, on a double, in a bubble. Monday on a double, Tuesday on a double, Wednesday on a double, Thursday on a double, Friday on a double, 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 in a bubble, in a bubble, in a bubble. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. We are looking at Bitcoin price chart here, and let me share this screen right here. This is a Bitcoin price chart, and this is how it has been. Bitcoin has been performing. Actually, I was reviewing this chart with a friend of mine in a certain meeting, and then we were like, Bitcoin might even go lower than this. Yeah, so we are anticipating for price performance to show us how this it's gonna work out. Okay, yeah, so this is how Bitcoin has been performing. Once again, let me before I go deeper, let me start from the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame, and it is showing this is each candlestick. All right, this is each candlestick for each for each um for each week. Okay, so you can be able now to see in a longer or higher time frame price price tapped started. This was the higher high, the all-time high, the all-time high ATH. The ATH is at 3.126,230, and then this was the next lower high. Actually, we have this lower high, we have this one, another one. But then once we are drawing these trend lines, once this zone has been invalidated, we now look to, actually, if we leave it at there, it is still has a meaning. Price broke out, retested, and then tested this dip, and then now price has been going up. But then if we still now adjust this trend line, if we put it at this end there, it means again now this is the fresh second point. Yeah, so the first point, the second point. So we have now to make a decision. If price was to go down, it would have reacted to this zone, because this is this is a very strong resistance zone. And if price did not move from uh, move down at this point there, we we might be anticipating for price now. No. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Let me go back. Uh, Price did not go down. So because it did not go down, we are seeing now price breaking out of this range there. So that is to mean we are we are gonna we are gonna um, we are gonna wait for price now to retest to this zone and then keep going up. Yeah, that is one. But then we will wait for another reaction around this place here. Is to maybe yeah. All right. Yeah. So we are having we are having quite of a lot of things that we are waiting. But then now this is simply to say that if price breaks, actually not breaks, but if price retests to this zone, we are going to be confirming that price is going to go up. Now let me go back. Let me go back. Maybe let me go to a smaller time frame, which is the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Okay, yeah. Let me remove this because it's distorting my appearance. Yeah. So this is this is how Bitcoin has been performing. Okay, is very clean. Just to show this point, this first point, the second point, the third point, the fourth point, and now this was the fifth point when price broke out. Many people might not consider this as three times, but this was three times. Okay, when price reacted at this zone. Yeah, but then now on an outer zoomed charts, it will look like 1 point. So maybe you might count like 1 point and the second point, and on the third point, price broke out. But then actually this was the fifth point. Okay, so this fifth point is now the one that is bringing a lot of fuss, because now Bitcoin has broken out, and we are looking for it to maybe to retest to this zone around 67 point, maybe 520, and now after that price will keep going up. Now this is a bit tricky, because now we are going now to be looking at look at this point, look at this pump. Okay, now we have this pump. Maybe we'll maybe try to draw a Fibonacci retracement from this point where price started moving up, and then to where the price closed at. You can see, yeah, a 50% zone uh, is around this area at 70, and 61.8% will be at 68,000, around that this zone here. So if in case of any retracement, maybe we'll be waiting for price to retrace up to this zone here, uh, up to this zone. Maybe let me mark this as white. Yeah, I think that will be quite interesting because now we'll see how price will react once it reaches at that point. Okay, so basically it's our rectangle zone here, and that is pretty much about Bitcoin. Okay, once price goes up, the other cryptos will continue going up, and that is what we were trying to show here. In the last 7 days, price has gone up, and you can see Ethereum has also gone up. Yeah, Tether actually, okay, Tether is a stable coin. You can see XRP has gone up 50%, BNB 14%, and the rest of the other cryptos, you can see how they have been going up even more than Bitcoin, because actually they just needed a little push. Okay, so these are other cryptos we are going to be looking at. Maybe one, yeah, you can comment down below to see which which crypto you would want us to look at. Okay, yeah, so these these are basic metrics on the basic, on the first top maybe 100 cryptos on the crypto market, the entire crypto. So we have meme coins here, we have stable coins, we have tokens, we have NFTs, yeah, we have AI coins, all in this crypto market. So if you will want now, maybe now to categorize on different categories, you'll be able now to see the different categories. And again, like I'd say, you'll see now the these are the different categories actually. Yeah, proof of work, proof of stake, stable coins, you'll see all of them here. The exchange based tokens, you'll be able to see them here. Those which have been made from China, you'll see them here. DeFi tokens, you'll see them here. Yeah, so this is just like a brief walkthrough around these sites. Yeah, it's not the only one. We have CoinGecko. So this one that you're looking at is called CoinGecko. Yeah, you can also view these markets at. Um, you can view now the charts, the different charts on trading view. Okay, you can maybe like that we were looking at that was Bitcoin. Maybe we'll look at maybe it how is it trading. And once you are here, you once you search for that token or crypto that you want to look at, you come to see the one that is its price is being tracked by trading view. And now the crypto, this is the index, so you come for the crypto here, then you'll be able now to see the chart. This is the chart for Ethereum. Actually, it is quite very important to see how Ethereum is performing, because it is actually the second very best after Bitcoin. So this is the daily time frame. Maybe let's go to the weekly time frame. It's gonna give us a brief outlook of how the market's looking at. Yeah. So this is the entire price performance for Ethereum, and you can see its price has been consolidating around this area here, around this zone here. You can see, yeah, we have some price accumulation, and we had mapped this by having uh, uh, this white horizontal line, which is acting as our resistance zone. Is just trying to map out the resistance zone. Actually, would maybe even draw like a rectangle to show this whole zone, because it's not like one place, it's not like one place. So we have that resistance zone or our order block, which is at that zone. And then now you can be able now to see how price has been reacting around this zone. So we have this lower low of price where it has gone low at the lowest point. It has gone down for Ethereum since it had reached all this time high, and since then it has come to touch the second part. So once now, this is how we drew this trend line, because first of all you draw, you attach, you point at the most uh, deep valley, yeah, the deepest point where price had gone, and now you match it up with the second zone, which is at this point. Yeah, so after you match it up there, you just straighten it up. So even if it cuts, you can see these candles have reacted to this point they have broken out of, and then price has gone down up again. Now this is where now you make a decision whether to buy or now to sell. So this is a good signal, and you can see after this price actually has pumped up, and this is where you are seeing price for Ethereum trading at 2,446 US dollars. Yeah, so price is looking quite interesting, because again you can see the price is a bit very very bullish, and the momentum is high because the candlestick is full. Okay, so maybe if we look at the monthly, you'll see the monthly time frame on how this month, the last 2 months, price has been actually very bullish. So we have had like a drawdown, like the market has been going down for a very long time, and yeah, the market has been going down for a very long time. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 almost. Now the 11th month is now the last month when price had reached at this point, and price bounced off this zone. Yeah, so this is very clean and very simple, because again, yeah, we are just making it like simple price action, just to track how price has been performing. So this was Ethereum, and basically is the price bounce. You can see we might call these like morning star candlestick pattern. Okay, a morning star, because now this candle is probably this month, by the end of this month, probably the market will close on this point, and that will now confirm our signal that now we are bullish. So this is Ethereum, and I'm not looking to see Ethereum maybe go lower than this, but no one can tell. Anything can happen in this market. Anything, anything can happen in this market. So yeah, this is Ethereum. This is Ethereum, and this is its price performance. We had looked at Bitcoin, yeah, but you can see like there's some similarity between this chart and for Bitcoin. Like there's some kind of similarity, because its price is pegged to the price of Ethereum, or some liquidity for Ethereum is pegged to Bitcoin's price, to Ethereum's liquidity. So yeah, you can be able now to see like price is actually almost printing the same kind of stick pattern, and also the chart looks almost 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 the same. So Bitcoin had also gone down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 months of bearish structure, and again you can see it had gone down with a negative 54.33%. Yeah, so that was for quite some time actually, since September 2025. So that is Bitcoin, and now these two assets try to depict, or they dictate the entire market cap performance, cryptocurrency market performance. Okay, so yeah, this current move that has happened where prices shot up, and actually you can see it has broken out of this yellow trend line. It's now bringing us to attention. Yeah, analysts are looking at these zones and are making decisions. So again, after this move, it's quite very often or like simple that price will look to retest to that zone once again. So yeah, um, I'm actually very much surprised on how this price is looking. Yeah, yeah. Can see my brother in the chat, ni mbaya ni mbaya. Yeah, 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 ni mbaya bana. So price inapanda na yeah, like there's a lot that is happening and ni mdogo mdogo tu, wacha tu track price pole pole. Yeah, so hiyo ni Bitcoin. Yeah, hizi leo nazipeleka polepole, like you're looking at different assets na venye zina perform. So I think I've touched base for all of these, and also we had looked at the pulse chain ecosystem, this pulse chain ecosystem and how price imekuwa ikiperform kutoka all time low. Yeah, and ni mwecheche bro, because now the next chart that I'm going to share here, it's now going like maybe to sum up everything, because the bestchart.com, the bestchart.com, you can also like visit it. You can go to your browser, you search the bestchart.com, and then you'll be able now to pick these stats here. So hizi stats hapa ndio zina yeah, hizi stats hapa ndio zina make all these difference. So yeah, yes, yes, yes. Someone was calling me, so let me get back here. So this is the chart, this is the live chart for Hex, na hivi ndio imekuwa ikiperform na Hex imepanda from the bottom, from this bottom hapa, price imekuwa ikipanda, price imepanda up to this point, and you can see the current price, it's at 0.20402. Yeah, that is the current price of assets these assets. Na yeah, tunaangalia venye itakuwa ina perform in a few, and now tracking this price, you'll be able now to see it has actually made a 5.4 times from this bottom. Yeah, so these metrics are now the kind of analytics that are making these assets to look juicier than the rest and than even before, because yeah, they have gone down to the lowest point and sasa zinaanza kupanda from the lowest point that they have been. Yeah, so this is EHEX. This is the EX from Ethereum. We have Pulse which is trading at 0.40140 US dollars, and yeah, that is pretty much about these analytics. We have PulseX trading at 0.40129 US dollars. The incentive token is there, and Provex token is next, where you are seeing it 40s, uh, 0.40832, and then after that, now we have another one. We have now this PDI and Peacock. Peacock is a meme coin. Yeah, so I'm going to end this live here because I'll be having another in a few. So yeah. Welcome, guys. Welcome, bro. Man, thank you very much for tuning in. Yeah, most of the time I'll be doing this emergency live stream, so I'm not looking. I'm just like practicing as price as time goes by. Before now, I invite many people. So Yeah, thank you very much, bro. See you on the next one.